So now let me take the version of the node and the npm I just installed. So I'm going to have the command node minus v, that's version, and then npm minus version as well. So let's see the version. Okay, so on node I'm having version 18.19.1, while on npm I'm having version 9.2.0. okay, so now I'm going to install Nginx. Nginx is a web server that actually serves the website I am currently deploying. So, and when you use sudo, it's an admin privilege or a root privilege. Okay, so sudo apt instead. The reason why I'm using apt is because this is Linux or OS, or I should just call it an Ubuntu OS, a Linux OS operating system. The reason that's why I'm using apt. But if it's Amazon, the command will be different because then I'll be using yum instead of apt. So let's install Nginx. Nginx is unpacking. Yeah. So now we have Nginx installed here. It's Nginx we're going to use and serve this site publicly. So next, let's start Nginx. In as much as I've used installed or I've installed in the Nginx, I had to really start it by using sudo start Nginx. Okay, so I will just paste the command in a simple way. Sudo systemctl start Nginx, then I'll go to start it. So this is then I want to check if, let me just type. I want to check if it is, if I let me just enable it then. Sudo systemctl enable Nginx. This is me enabling it. You see, it's not enabling, which it have done. So let's see if it's working. Okay, using an admin privilege, I'll go with sudo systemctl status Nginx to know if it's working. It should be showing me active. You see, my Nginx is running. It is running and enabled. So let's move on to the next one. So there's this repository I want to clone that have what I want to redeploy for the public to see. So I'm going to clone it. It's a GitHub repository, so I'm going to clone it by using git clone to do that, and then git clone, git where it is from, then clone the action. Git is the source, then clone the action, and then the repo itself. So this is it. All right, so let's clone. What am I seeing? Oh, I see the reason. I see the reason. Let me paste again and then edit. You see, this is the reason. This is two. It's supposed to be one, but I'm pasting two at the same time. So let me delete. Attention to details of every command you run. So this is it. Okay. Git clone HTTP. So let's enter and see. You see, it's cloning it. It's cloning the repo. You see the name of the repo, my React app, and this is the name of the app I'll be deploying. And it has finished cloning. See, 100%, 30/30 done. So now I've cloned the repo. So let's see what's inside this repo. Let me clear. Okay, let me clear first. So the screen will be. So let me see what's inside it. I will do ls. You see, my React app. This is what is in the repo. Then let me enter into this my React app by using cd and then the name of the app, my React app. You see, then let me enter inside it. Then let me list to see what is inside it. I'm already on the React app, so let me see what is inside it. You see, these are things. This is Docker file. This is readme.md. This is package.json and every other thing. But then I want to check this SRC because there's something I want to modify on SRC. So I'm going to enter into SRC to see it. Okay. So this is what the repo has. So I want to list and know what is inside my React app. Then LOS will show me. So it has Docker file readme.md, has package JSON, it has public, it has SRC. But then I want to check what is in error SRC. So I will enter inside SRC by saying cd SRC. So let's see. Okay, now I'm inside SRC. Let's list it and see what's inside. Okay, so these are what is inside SRC. Sorry, what is inside SRC? Yes, so we have app.css, app.js, app.test, and the others. But then I want to enter into app.js because there's something I want to edit, which is on app.js. How do I enter and edit that? I'll just open with Nano. Some use Vim to enter, but I prefer using Nano to enter. So I will open with Nano to edit. That is why I'm using Nano to open and edit. And sudo, like I said, it's admin privilege. It's a root privilege. So sudo nano is the name of the app. Okay, the name of the app.js. Now I enter. So this is what is inside it. What do I need to alter? Okay, let me go down. Okay, let me do this. Let me alter from here, connect to it. I'm going to remove this name. I just want something that will show very well. Okay. Let me do it up so I can just show up. Okay, so let me just change this Pravin here to my name. Okay, so let me do that. Just remember, I'm just making the changes from connect with. I'll put my name. Okay, I'm just going to alter the Pravin only. That's what I'm altering. Connect with, let me say, one necker. One necker maybe. This is fine. Then I will save. Okay, then I will exit. then Y to save, and then enter. Then I've made the changes already. Okay, I've made the changes and I visited. I'm back to it. So now I've edited. I want to install npm. Oh, that can actually serve this right independently. I don't know where this noise coming from. So let me install npm. Okay, by doing npm install in small letter please, npm install. It's installing npm right now. Okay, so this is it installing. I don't know why this would chose to make this noise today. So npm installing. So now let's build it by saying npm run build. We help us build it. It's npm run build. You see, now it has finished building the script. Okay, all right, so I'll clear my screen. Clear. So I want to remove the default page of Nginx. Okay, before then, let me check this engine. Let me check to straight that this my Nginx is back. Let me take my public IP first. This is my public IP, copy. Then let me take it to a web page and then put my IP there. Sorry, you can't see. So this is my IP. So I'm going to open it and see what we have. Okay, you see, I have welcome to Nginx. This is my public IP displaying. That means that Nginx is working. I want to copy this thing out and then put in my other React app I have here. That is what I want to do. So now trying to check the server I'm running. This is actually where I built the server. This is my server. So this is actually, I submitted this one because this is a company. So this is actually the one I'm hosting now. The server I'm using to host this one. So let me clear this. Okay. So this is my server here. All right. You see that Nginx is working, and this is my server that it's working. So now let me go back. Okay, before then, let me copy that default that welcomes Nginx. This, let me delete it off. Let me just delete it off. Then I can host something inside it. So to do that, I had to remove the file. It's at www, so I had to remove it by running this command. I just wanted to make it, so I added the command somewhere. Okay, so this is it. Now I've removed it, but then I need to go back to my hierarchy. You see, I'm back to my React app. I'm no longer SRC. So let's build the app we have. Yes. And this, then I need to form it. Then chart 577. So what the three command I just ran is this sudo cp. It's building. It's more like build all files from the build folder. Okay. While the chow, it just gives ownership. just gives ownership, like gives the web server the ownership of all website files. So I'm just giving him ownership of all the websites or every information there. The chummed R755, it changes permission. The chummed, it's what changes permission, and let's just say 755 means, owner should read, write, and execute. So basically, that's what it means. So you just set save permission, so server can read files, users can't modify them. Okay, so and that is all for now. Okay, like from the explanation, this is what the commands mean. So let's refresh our server and see from our IP address. You see, welcome to my React app. Are you seeing it? This is what I actually altered. This is the only thing I altered. I don't want to write my full name. I just had to skip all those things. But look at this, connect with Mary. One neck and Mary. This is the only thing I altered there. You get? So this is the only thing I altered. So you see, this is how you can easily deploy a simple website, any static, any website that has just a front end. This is how you can easily deploy it. So that is that. So after building, you can even go and restart by saying sudo. Maybe you want to restart your Nginx first before checking the thing. You can even say sudo systemctl restart Nginx to show you after the whole thing. You get, or you can even echo what you want it to say. So this is it. Yeah, so let's check if it's still on, which we know it's still on. Like you can use your status, Nginx status, to check. Okay, so this is how you deploy a website. This is how you deploy a simple website. Let's refresh and see. You see, it is still showing welcome to React app, and this is the only thing I altered here. One neck camera is the only thing I altered. Alright, bye for now. See you in another tutorial.